Hello everybody, Origami Gamer here, and today I'll be teaching you how to fold the classic Origami Cicada. Now, if you're watching this, be sure to, and you hit the bell subscribe and hit the bell icon, be sure to put hashtag Origami Gamer Notification Squad in the comment section down below. It helps out the channel and lets me know that you're subscribed. And so we begin the tutorial. I made this out of pink paper because, well, I had pink paper and I needed to use it. We start with a sheet of paper. I have double color origami paper here, but if you are using paper that has color on one side, put the color side down for folding this if you want to have something with more color on it. So first you fold this point to this point, essentially creasing the diagonal. You then fold this point to this point. Open. Fold this edge to the center. And repeat on the other side. Now here's where things get a little weird. Now we fold the wings, but this is where you can make the cicada your own. You can have wings that go all the way out here, look like this, and when folded over would look pretty weird, but this is if you want a long-winged cicada. However, for me personally, I like to pin my finger here and wait, bring it until the bottom point bring it so that this right here, and bring it up to the camera, this point is about 1.5 times the length from this to this. So the distance from here to here is about 1.5 times the distance from here to here. Find that when folded over, it tends to make a pretty decent looking origami insect. Repeat that on the other side. Shouldn't be that hard. Here comes another judgment fold. I like to fold it where this point meets about this middle section right here to about there. So you fold this over. Again, these are all judgment folds. I like to leave the same amount of distance of open paper here. Next, you fold this edge to the center. And do that on the other side as well. And you get yourself an origami cicada. Now, depending on the way you folded yours, it could look drastically different. This is just how I like mine to look. So anyways, hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Origami Gamer, out.